Hi everyone, this is page 31 of
Paris.
And what's the name of our book today?
Notice names Louise.
Alright, and what's the first page? Written by Cheryl Potts.
Cheryl Potts.
That's her last name.
They don't have page 1. Well, this is 2, 3.
Yes, the page 1 had the author. Page 2, that's where we start. Go ahead.
Louise like to play outside.
Okay.
Louise sneeze.
Well, you missed this at the top.
Oh.
Achoo!
Achoo!
Louis sneezed. Okay. What's next?
Louise sneeze. Man, get some tissue.
Okay.
Get some tissue to out his nose. Or do I this?
Cover with your hand. Good job.
No, this.
Or your elbow. Good job.
She likes to pick wild flowers.
She likes to pick wild flowers, and they make her.
A 2.
Good job. So.
Oh, she smelled the flowers.
Yeah. So.
Another sneeze, Louise.
She sneezed because she smelled the flowers. What else she's gonna sneeze about?
Hey.
Don't flip the pages. Okay. Good job, baby.
She climbed the tree.
No, she.
Like she climbed trees. Another sneeze, Louise. A 2.
All right.
She likes to pet a kitten.
She likes to pet
the kitten. A 2. Another sneeze, Louise.
She's sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. What else?
She likes to blow down
The dandelions.
the dandelions. I don't know what dandelions
It's the
is.
flower. Look. What's some things that we kind of blow to make a wish? I'll show you outside.
Oh, it says, I wish I want to give something cool.
Mm-hmm. So she's.
It's supposed to be a singing.
Mm-hmm.
A 2. Another name's Louise.
Good job, baby.
She likes to play grass. A 2.
She likes to.
Whoa, grass.
In the grass. That's gonna make you.
A 2.
All right.
Another name's Louise. Why does everything smell something?
Well, we're learning about Louise.
A 2. A 2. A 2.
Okay.
Oh, please help Louise with her
Allergies. So she has allergies, and that's making her achoo, the flowers, the playing in the grass, the playing with the pets, all those things.
What about planets?
No planets, baby.
I said plants.
Oh, plants. Yeah. The flowers. Yep. Mm-hmm. Good job. What do you think about that one? Say thank you to your subscribers.
Thanks, subscribers. I know we hit that like and subscribes.
Button. Yeah. End it. Go ahead, baby.
Goodbye. I go say hi.